thank you very much. So actually, you said everything, so I don't have much to say. Okay. Yes, so don't hesitate to write to me, send me mails, okay, in case. And if you want to visit the lab I'm working in, you have the QR code here. It will not be the last QR code. There are several of them. So very briefly, as you said actually just before, I have been working, I have 2 careers actually, and it will be very brief just to explain, it explains some things after. I have 2 careers, one in France from 1991 to 2004, and one in Vietnam from 2005 or 6. Okay, so the first one in France, I was professor at the university working on artificial life. And so a combination of multi-agent systems, reactive systems, collective robotics, AI, simple AI as well. So I learned a number of things there, and I used all of this when I moved in 2005 to IRD. So IRD, I will explain a little bit later what it is, but IRD, it's a French Research Public Institute. So I quit the university actually to move there. And IRD has one particularity, one specificity, is that most of the researchers are expatriated abroad, okay, working in developing countries. So not in France, but in developing countries. So in Vietnam, I did a number of things which are completely irrelevant to what I'm going to talk about today, doing a lot of managing of research teams, capacity building, etc., etc. But one thing I did with Vietnamese colleagues was to set up, build, design the GAMA platform. A little bit more than the rest. So coming back to IRD, actually IRD, as I said, it's a French public research institute. It's a very small one. Well, actually, in terms of French standards, okay, it's a very small one because we are something like 800 plus researchers, and 60% of them being abroad in 37, 40 countries. Okay. And so it's an institute which works actually very closely with partners. So we don't have laboratories abroad, but we are hosted by partners abroad. Okay, so we are working with partners. And myself, I've been working with at least 6 different